we'll guide you through how to share videos on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your Dropbox account. Once you're logged in, locate the video you want to share in your files list. You can use the search bar at the top for a quick search. Hover over the video file and you'll see a share button appear, usually on the right side of the file name. Click the share button. A new window will pop up where you can enter email addresses of the people you want to share the video with. You can also add a message if you'd like to provide some context. If you prefer to share a link instead of emailing directly, click on the Create Link option. This will generate a unique URL link to your video. You can then copy this link and share it via email, social media, or any messaging app. Make sure to review the sharing permissions by clicking on the settings icon next to the link. Here, you can decide if others can view or also edit the file, and you can set an expiration date for the link if needed. Once you're satisfied with the settings, close the Link Settings window and proceed to share the link with your chosen contacts. This method is great for maintaining control over who accesses your content while ensuring your video is easily shareable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.